Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary word in action video. Today's core vocabulary word that we are targeting is here. Here is an adverb, and the definition for the word here is in the speaker's position. Now let's find the word here on our different AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic from the Starta Touch Chat app, here.
Here.
On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the app from PRC, here.
Here.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox on the 80 grid, here.
Here.
Now let's use our word here for different functions of communication. I could get somebody's attention and say, over here. I could reject or protest and say, no, not
Here.
here again. I could start a conversation and say, have you been here before? I could label and say, here
Here.
is the kitchen. I could share and show and say, here
Here.
are my books. I could comment and say, I like it here. I could ask a question and say, do I put it here